Panther Airsoft does stupid. Dom's gonna shoot himself in his own ass.
This is so weird, John.
Oh, my gun's on safety. That scared me.
Oh, you do that? Have you never done this before?
This is what we're gonna do. Sweep.
We're gonna mop the other team, dude.
No.
What's my battery at?
This is so weird.
No. Speed!
Me?
Speed!
Alright.
You little.
Hold up, hold up.
If you drop another one, I should.
I think you ate too many wings last night, big boy.
Anyway, what do you want me to say again?
Just shut up. Just
You say speak, so you say shut.
I didn't even shoot you yet.
Oh, sorry.
What's the plan?
Stop.
Alright. We need 3 people going upstairs. Me, you, Josh. Alright. Upstairs is taken care of.
Hold up. Us 4.
We have the upstairs.
2 of you guys.
You should shoot him in the hole in his shoe.
Cemetery. We're gonna go upstairs and move forward from upstairs.
We'll probably go from upstairs to
The
kill
4
house,
of us just take upstairs and we'll move past.
Yeah.
And we'll send 2 people down. So.
Damn, you're really shaking that table, fat ass.
What?
Ate too many wings last night. Ow! Hit! Let me go through. Yeah, I know. I saw you.
Don't I take that side? No, they told me to stay here. They told us to stay here.
Okay, so the bucket's right there. Watch this stairwell. I got this one. Yeah, I got this one. Kai! 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 Brother, can't hear me. Josh. I'm gonna go down and around. What are you doing over here?
Flanked around and I got fucking killed.
Ah, you're stuck on my hose! Okay, so he knows we're up here, so he's probably, if he doesn't come this way, I'd be surprised. He's totally gonna throw a quake up here. No. He'd probably throw a quake up here, if I'm gonna guess.
Going back up then?
Yeah. I knew it! I knew you were doing that.
Dude, this thing is a sharpshooter.
It's not as hot as yesterday, but I'm still sweating so fucking bad.
It's bad. I mean, I actually am comfortable.
I'm not.
I know you're never comfortable.
No, I'm not.
Dude, you're fun to run with. I'd come back up here just to play with you again. Make me want to play CQB. And I'm gonna be dead honest with you, I hate close quarters.
Really?
Anytime I get in a building, dude, I hesitate. But I've been going after people. But I think maybe that I need to do this more often.
Yeah. I mean, shit.
It's like it's mindless.